This is a video for our Year 11s to show you where you can access some files through the Teams app. If you don't already have this app Teams downloaded, then go to your Play Store and search Teams and then install Microsoft Teams. I've already got it downloaded, so once you open it, you'll get to a page like this. You don't need to sign up for free. Press sign in and use your school email address to sign in. You will obviously need your school password as well, so if you need to get that reset, please make that a priority. Sign in. That will just take a few seconds. And then it tells you a little bit about what Teams can do. Click got it and you'll be able to access your feed. This is a little bit like a notifications page. The thing you need to look at is this down here, Teams. Each of your classes will be visible here, but the one I want to show you is the one at the top, the Brunt's Year 11 students. Click on the General button, and again, the Posts is a bit more of a notifications page, but I want you to go to your Files. In here we've got some revision materials. And here are some different files you can go for. Click into the science. It does take a moment to load because I'm using 4G, but it'll be quicker on your home Wi-Fi. Inside here you can see each of the different science folders. Click a folder you want to have a look into, and that will be split into paper 1 and paper 2. Then each paper is split into the topics that exam covers. So if you want to look at electricity, open the electricity folder. Once you're in the folder, here's a few resources that might be useful to you. So you've got a keywords list and a PowerPoint. PowerPoint's great because it covers everything you need to know. Just take a minute to to open up on your phone. You can access this button here and download it, so you don't have to keep opening it up through the website. And you can also share it to your email, so maybe you can print it if you wanted to, or anything you want to share it with your friends. Once the PowerPoint's open, you can see that it's got all the things you need to know about that topic. So it'll be lots of information you can read through to remind yourself what you need to know. And then at the end of each subgroup, you've got a question it section. So that gives you the opportunity to challenge yourself, test your knowledge, and then you can check your answers as well. Okay, and that continues for the whole of electricity topic, and there is one for each of the topics for all 3 sciences. So I really hope you find that useful. Get it downloaded, use your time on the bus, sat in the back of the car on the way to wherever you need to go. Just make sure you use it, and hopefully you can increase your grades like that. Good luck with your revision, guys. Thanks.